Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some tricks to make your bathroom smell good. All that urine stink is going to be gone. Your guests are going to be amazed at how clean and good smelling your bathroom is. So if you're ready, let's go. We're going to need some vinegar. You're going to need some disinfecting wipes. You might need some foil. You're going to need one knife, some paper towels, Q-tips, and some essential oils, and some, of course, some gloves, unless you're super brave and can do this without gloves, but I cannot. So we're going to do that, and we need one more item, oops, which I actually forgot. And you're going to need a toothbrush. Now, do not go get your spouse's toothbrush because maybe they upset you today or that they never help you clean. I highly suggest getting an old toothbrush that you will be throwing away afterwards, or it is dedicated to cleaning. Again, don't use your spouse's, even if you're mad at them. So coming down to the floor, let's make sure that there is no leaks between the floor and the toilet, because what can happen is you can have that yucky sewer smell. If you're having that, there could be a gap in between that, so that must be addressed first. The next thing that you're going to need to do is clean your tank really good. Now, I have a basic cleaning video, so I will link that in the description box down below or right here. First, go ahead and give your toilet a nice basic cleaning. Now let's get to the nitty gritty. I'm going to go get my gloves on. I have my bottle right here and it is filled with some vinegar. What we need to do is get underneath all of this rim right here because that gets kind of forgotten when you are cleaning. So you're gonna take your spray bottle and go ahead and spray that vinegar right underneath. Now we're gonna take that toothbrush and we're gonna scrub underneath. I really like using these toothbrushes because they get into the nitty gritty where our toilet bowl brushes can't always get into. And not too bad. Mine is not too bad. But I have telling you, I have seen it disgusting. Ugh. It's not too bad this time. But yeah, just get in there, and if you're not getting enough gunk, or you feel like you haven't been getting enough, let that vinegar sit there and then come back and give it a good scrub. I have my Q-tips right here. I went ahead and sprayed it with some bathroom cleaner. You can also use your vinegar, and we're gonna just, I'm gonna set one here. I got both of them ready. And you're just gonna take your Q-tip and go around. You're gonna go around these little things right here. See, look at that. Ooh, that's so gross. And just flip it over, because this is really going to get in between, and a lot of times things just get stuck in here. You can't always get your rag in here. Okay, and then we'll just do the other side. Okay, so now go ahead and take your Clorox wipes and grab one of those out, and then we're going to grab our knife. And you're gonna put it over your knife just like this, okay? Now, I'm afraid. I'm so afraid what we're gonna find under here. But you're gonna take your knife and we're gonna clean underneath this tank in between. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is cleaner. That's disgusting. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so gross. So that is probably pee and urine in there, and getting that clean is going to help your toilet smell so good. Another thing that you can do to make your bathroom smell so good is grab your toilet paper and get some essential oils that you like, or even some fragrance oils. I personally do like the essential oils. I'm going to be using this jasmine. Do an oil that's going to smell nice and fresh. What we're going to do is you're going to take your favorite essential oils and just drop a couple drops right in there. And then go ahead and just put it back in there, and as people are using that roll, it's going to smell nice and fresh. Now, if you guys are still having some issues with your bathroom smelling disgusting, I have another trick that I did not show you that might help you as well. And if you'd like to see that video, click on it right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!